In today's video, I will put you through on how to create WhatsApp link, all right, in 2025. If maybe you want to create a link that when somebody clicks on that, he'll be landed on the WhatsApp conversation area for you guys to start conversation. This video puts you through on how you can create that link and send it as text message or through WhatsApp or any other medium. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, to begin with this, we have to create this WhatsApp link in a Notes app. Okay, you can see Notes here on my phone. If you are using Android, or just get to the Note or anything that any application that will allow you to write text. It can even be the messaging app. Okay, so let me tap on my notes. Okay, then let me create a fresh note. So I will tap on the edit icon at the bottom right. Okay, this has opened a note, so I will get to the second line. Then in small letter, we have to create a link. It's gonna start like we say in some website links. Okay, so in all small letter, type HTTPS. All right, then column, then two forward slashes, then WA. All right, dot me. All right. So this is the sign, or will I say the link, general WhatsApp link. All right. So the next step is to introduce forward slash again. Then type your phone number. All right. But in this case, you are going to start with your country code. If your country code starts with +1, you need to start with only one. If it starts with +234, you have to remove the plus there and start with 234. All right. So let me type mine. Then after that, start typing your phone number. So in this case, I'm going to start with 70. All right, it's gonna be 70, not 070. So the zero will be removed. Then I'll start with 70 and the rest of the numbers. Okay, now I'm done typing, but some parts of this phone number is hidden for some security reason. Okay, so the next step you need to take is to copy this whole link here. All right, so I will long press on any part of this and go with select all option. Okay, all right, so I have done it in a right way. So everything here, all the text have been selected. Then I can go with copy, then done. Now that this has been copied, it's now time to go and share it with someone that you want to join your WhatsApp group. All right, so get to any contact you want to establish chat with, send the link to him or her. Once he clicks on that link, he will be taken to a page allowing him or her to chat with you easily. All right, so let's do it. So I'll open my WhatsApp. Okay, so the WhatsApp has opened. So it's now time to select a contact I want to send this to. So select a contact you want to send it to. Then I will long press and then select the paste option for this link to be pasted inside here. Then tap on send. So this link has been sent to this person. So once he clicks on the link, he'll be taken to a new chat area for us to start the communication. So this is how you can create a WhatsApp link for yourself.
I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self publishing. So, subscribe to learn a lot in this area, okay? In these areas. Hit the like button, the one that points up here like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. And leave a comment as well, all right? You can watch this video here to learn how to use WhatsApp on a computer. Thank you and see you some other time.